Look, me Jane, you Tarzan.
Suck it to me, baby. Suck it to me, baby. Suck it to me, baby. Suck. start to learn. Ooh, burn, baby, burn. Yeah, burn, baby, burn. The finest line across this universe. Yeah, the finest line across this universe. A man can't find a woman that won't steal his purse. I said, burn, baby, burn. Yes, I find myself in that person's place. What I see sure ain't no disgrace. I said, burn, baby, burn. Ooh, hear what I say. Yeah, hear what I say. I've been here before. I don't want no more. I said, burn, baby, burn. Yeah, burn, baby, burn. Burn, baby, burn. Ooh, burn, baby, burn.
Ven cerca, ven cerca, un poquitito más cerca. Quiero sentirte aquí, junto a mí. Ven cerca, quiero tomar tu mano hacerte comprender. Y cuando bese tu boca, sentirte estremecer. Vida, no te separes, en los demás no repares. Solo piensa que estás junto a mí una vez más. Acércate ya más de lo que ya estás. Cuando te tenga más cerca, te voy a trastornar. Ven cerca, mal no te de tratar. Quiero sentirte cerca, tu aliento respirar. Ven cerca, un poquitito más cerca. Casi, casi, pero falta. Así, vida.
You make me nervous when you walk. You make me nervous when you talk. You make me nervous, can't you see? Baby, what you doing to me? You make me nervous with your smile. You make me nervous with your style. You make me nervous, what can I do? Honey, I want some love from you. Well, my heart starts to pounding when I see you go by. I get down inside and I just wanna cry. I'm all fed up with your way to why. Listen to me, baby, 'cause you're driving me wild. Shut, shut. You make me nervous when you walk. You make me nervous when you talk. You make me nervous, can't can't you see? Baby, what you doing to me? Oh, you make me nervous with your smile. You make me nervous with your style. You make me nervous, what can I do? Honey, I want some love from you. Well, my heart starts to pounding when I see you go by. I get down inside and I just wanna cry. I'm all fed up with her, wait a while. Oh, baby, you're nearly driving me wild. Ooh, nervous. Yeah, nervous. Ooh, nervous.
Mr. Mango Man. Man, meet the Bongo Man. Meet the Bongo Man, meet the Bongo Man. He got brawny arms, sturdy hands, pounding on the bongo skin. Hey, everybody, come on, everybody, we're gonna watch him pound that skin. The Bongo Man, meet the Bongo Man. Got brawny arms, sturdy hands, pounding on a bongo skin. Hey, everybody, come on, everybody, we're gonna watch him pound that skin. Meet the Bongo Man, meet the Bongo Man. Meet the Bongo Man. Meet the Bongo Man.
I got a girl, yeah. I got a girl, I've got a girl that wants my kisses every night. Yes, I've got a girl that wants to hold me oh so tight. Yes, I've got a girl in this world, and she's mine, really mine, and I love her all the time. Yes, I've got a girl whose love for me is oh so true, and I've got a girl who has my love forever too. Yes, I got a girl in this world, and she's mine, really mine, and I love her all the time. Yes, I know this feeling is oh so true. Yes, I know this can't happen to you when you have someone you can really, really, really adore. You'll step right up and walk
Talk in my sleep, ooh, wee baby, what you do to me? Well, when I met you, then I knew that all the other women, Lordy, they was through. Cause when I kissed you, I blew my stack, and I'll never give my sisters back, because I'm all in a spin. I like a spin that I'm in, and ooh, wee baby, what you do to me? You got the kind of kisses that I desire when you start showing loving you as hot as fire. But when you cut me loose, you made me cook my goose, and you quit before you ever started to me loose. And baby, when you did, you made me flip my lid. Ooh, wee baby, what you do to me? 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 You make me laugh, you make me weep, you make me talk in my sleep. Ooh, wee baby, what you do to me? Ooh, wee baby, what you do to me? Ooh, wee baby, what you do to me? Ooh, wee baby.
Well, step up, girls, and take off your shoes. Gonna give you a lesson in the rhythm and blues. Well, I know what it's all about. So let's get down with a great big show. Now the object of this about the G is the move exactly how you feel. Get ready to go, spread your arms out wide. well, she's a mother, go, go, go. Well, look at mama, how she can beat you. Oh, wishing she was young enough to do like I do. And now I take the best and to save your best. Oh, so next I go round, it's gonna be the best. Unbeliever here and now I keep up the pace on her. I'm coming down and you howl and I dance so wild. Well, go, 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 and rock it home out the door. Go, go, go. Now shake it. Now wiggle it. Come on, baby, jiggle it. Yeah, that's what you got. Well, get out low and rock it home.
Well, come on, baby, I'll show you how. Come on, baby, I'll show you how. We'll do it hot and we'll do it fast. We'll do it hot and we'll do it fast. Come on, baby, do a chicken, chicken walk. Wiggle yourself from head to toe. Do your stuff wherever you go. Do your stuff up on the floor. Do your stuff wherever you go. Come on, baby, do a chicken, chicken walk. Push in and a push out, 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 push in and a push, 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 push out. Yeah, let's walk, 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 baby. From head to toe, do your stuff up on the floor. Do your stuff wherever you go. Do your stuff wherever you go. Come on, baby, do a chicken, chicken walk. Push in and a push out, 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 push in and a push, 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 push out. Yeah, let's walk, 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 baby.
songs about this. You heard songs about that. You heard songs about people big and fat. But the name of this song is called Alley Rat. Alley Rat, Alley Rat. Woo! Don't give a hoot about a tomcat. When it comes to the good time, he falls to Jack. His favorite hangouts are across the track. Alley Rat, Alley Rat. Who's but a tomcat? He balls a good time, just like a jack. His favorite hangouts are across the track. Alley Rat, Alley Rat, hey, 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 Alley Rat. He's a natural clown. The people dig it down.
Seen a mushroom cloud spreading radiation all around, spreading death and misery. People crying, screaming, dying every place you see. Come on along and do the radioactive flip-flop. Mom shelter, Nina, you'd be better off if you stop breathing. If you have a thirst to do a mess around, you better do it for the sticky in the ground. Started shaking when the cloud draws near. Don't you think we should get out of here? If it's anything you want to do, better do it before it gets a hold of you. Come on along and do the radioactive flip-flop. Yeah! Better do it for the sticky in the ground. Started shaking when the cloud draws near. Don't you think we should get out of here? If there's anything you want to do, better do it before it gets a hold of you. Come on along and do the radioactive flip-flop. Come on along and do the radioactive flip-flop. 10, 9.
Hey, swamp rat.
When your day has a cloudy sky and all your troubles just won't you fly, stick your head in a garbage can and black out all your doggone troubles away. Black out, everybody, black out, everybody, please. Charm your cares with a snappy yell, bury your blues in a deep dark well, stick your head in a garbage can and black out all your doggone troubles away. All your fears would be as light as a feather in the breeze if you'd only do what's right and black out to this melody. When old gloom starts creeping round, trying to drag your spirits down, stick your head in a garbage can and black out all your doggone troubles away. Black out, everybody, black out, everybody, please. When you're feeling mighty low, the best darn remedy that I know, stick your head in a garbage can and black out all your doggone troubles away. Black out, everybody, black out, everybody, please. If and you're sad, don't mope around, just open your mouth and go to town. Stick your head in a garbage can and black out all your doggone troubles away. When your blues are blasted down into a garbage can, you will find that blacking out has left you feeling zorch, man. Come on, cats, and let her go. Watch your derned old worries blow. Stick your head in a garbage can and black out all your doggone troubles away, way, way. Black out all your derned old troubles away.
Oops, that lettuce is murder, cats.
Now, I'm not putting a bad mouth on nobody, and I hope that I'm not making a terrible scene. But me and my friends, we got a new type dance, and we think it's kind of clean. Come on, and let's scotch. Come on, let's scotch. Come on, and let's scotch. Come on, let's scotch. Come on, little girl. Come on, and let's scotch. Come on, let's scotch. Come on, come on. Come on, let's scotch. Come on, come on. Pull it over here, pull it over there. Don't break it, baby, 'cause you ain't got no spare. Come on, come on. Come on, and let's scotch. Come on, come on, come on, let's scotch. Grab it up high, grab it down low, grab it in the middle, baby, never let it go. And come on, come on, come on, let's scotch. Come on, come on, come on, let's scotch. Hey, look at that. I told you not to be putting a bad mouth on everybody. There you go, baby, let me smell a scotch. Boom, boom, bang. Come here and put it in the girl. I think you got everything. Thanks. Grab it in the east, grab it in the west, grab it anywhere that you can hold it best. Come on, come on, come on, let's scotch. Come on, come on, come on, let's scotch. Now look here, little girl. Just put away that twist. I want you to drop that hully-gully and things. I want you to come on and scotch, baby. That's what I've been telling you about.
Well, they call my baby Patty, but we really
that chick, Linda Lou, tell me what you gonna do? Yeah, I had a real bad dream last night. You said that we were through. You're so doggone fine, but I never know what you're gonna do. Oh, Linda Lou. Oh, yeah.
Donde.